Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to show you a tool that's been a game changer for my writing workflow. Penelope AI. If you ever struggle with writer's block, repetitive phrasing, or just getting started on a project, Penelope might be your new best friend. Penelope is an AI-powered writing assistant that offers a bunch of features to make your writing life easier. Let's jump into a quick walkthrough to see how it works. First things first, head over to the Penelope AI website. They have a free tier you can try out, which is a great way to see if it works for you. Once you've signed up, you'll be greeted by a clean and user-friendly editor. It looks a bit like other writing platforms, but the magic happens with the AI tools. Now, let's say you're staring at a blank page for a blog post. Penelope's got your back. Their autocomplete feature is super helpful. All you have to do is start typing, and Penelope will suggest what to write next based on the context. Stuck on a particular word? No problem. Just highlight it, and Penelope will offer synonyms to help you find the perfect fit. But Penelope's not just a fancy thesaurus. They've got some really cool AI-powered tools for revamping your existing text. Feeling repetitive? The paraphrasing tool can rewrite your sentences in fresh ways, keeping the original meaning, but adding variety to your writing style. Need to condense a lengthy research paper? Penelope's summarizing tool can be your lifesaver. It analyzes the text and creates a concise summary that captures the key points. This is a fantastic way to save time and get a clear understanding of complex information. And if you work with a lot of PDFs, Penelope can be a real asset. It integrates with PDFs, allowing you to extract quotes and information directly into your writing. No more tedious copying and pasting. Penelope is still under development, but it's already a powerful tool for anyone who wants to write better, faster, and with less stress. Whether you're a blogger, student, or marketing professional, Penelope can be a valuable addition to your writing toolbox. So why not head over to the Penelope AI website and try it out for yourself? You might just be surprised at how much it can help you achieve your writing goals. As always, if you have any questions about Penelope or anything else related to writing, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit our site, where we have collected thousands of services that use artificial intelligence, including alternatives to the hero of our today's video.